Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and we're going to go over another distributive example in preparation for algebra. And in the last one we just did addition, let's do some with subtraction. So let's say that we have 2, and we're going to multiply that by 4 minus 2. All right, so the distributive property says that this is equivalent to 2 times 4 plus, and then we have 2 times negative 2. So we'll put that in parentheses, negative 2. Okay? 2 times 4 plus 2 times negative 2. So let's start working this out. We have 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And so we're really subtracting 4. This is the same as saying, plus negative 4. Okay? So 8 minus 4, we end up with 4. Now let's test this over here. We've got 2, so that just stays as a 2. And we have 4 minus 2, that becomes, this portion becomes a 2. And if we multiply 2 by 2, we also get 4. Okay? So what happens if we get an overall negative? Because right now this is still positive 2. So what if we did 2 times 2 minus 4? What if we swap the order? So I want you to pause the video, hit the K button, and I'm going to start giving you the answer in 3, 2, 1. So this is going to work out as 2 times 2 plus 2 times negative 4. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Okay, so this is 4 plus negative 8, which is the same as 4 minus 8. And this ends up being negative 4. All right? Now let's try it over here. 2 minus 4. This portion becomes negative 2. And 2 times negative 2 is going to also get you negative 4. All right? So this is how we can do this with numbers. How is this going to work with variables? So let's look again at FOIL. So where should I write that? I'll write it here. First, outside, inside, last for FOIL. This is also true when we are dealing with subtraction. All right, so let's start working this out. If we've got x minus 2 times x plus 1, let's distribute this out. First, x times x, that's x squared, plus outside, that is x times 1, so that's just x, plus inside, negative 2 times x. So now we have negative 2x plus last is negative 2 times 1. That becomes a negative 2. Now we can start rewriting this, and that will become x squared. Now we have x minus 2x. That becomes a negative x. And then the only constant is this negative 2. So we took and used the distributive property, and we expanded out. This is like a factored version of the equation. We expanded this out. We used the FOIL method to distribute this out, and we got x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. And once we simplify that down a little, we have x squared minus x minus 2. So that is the answer to this other version up here. All right, we used the distributive property to do this in the FOIL method. And yeah, that's the distributive property. And hopefully we're ready to move forward now past this and start getting ready for algebra. Thanks a lot. Bye.